Hey guys, Eli here. In today's training, we're going to talk about at what point should you be moving into using page building softwares, funnel building softwares like ClickFunnels, like Zipify Pages, Gem Pages. There's a bunch of different softwares out there. In today's training, we're going to talk about at what point should you be taking your time and building out a funnel or a full-blown sales page. I just see a lot of people get sucked into the trap of hearing that page builders, as fantastic as they are, people hear that page builders can increase conversion rates, they can increase average order value, they can do all of these amazing things, and that is true, okay? But does that necessarily mean that you should be out of the gates moving into using a software like ClickFunnels, Zipify Pages, Gem Pages? At what point should you be doing this? Should you be doing this straight away? Or should you be doing this down the road a little bit? That's exactly what we're going to discuss inside of this training. I just see a lot of people, and I've recently seen a lot of people actually fall for this trap of thinking that it's these little technical things like using a landing page builder or using a funnel that is going to be the thing that really makes them profitable and makes them find success. And that, to be honest with you, just is not the case. What I do and what I really recommend a lot of beginners do is just send traffic to a product page on an e-commerce platform like Shopify, like Ecommerce, when you're just starting out. Get that initial traction, start making sales. You should be able to make sales profitably sending traffic directly to your Shopify store. And then once you start making traction, once you start making profit, it's at that point, do you want to start testing these page builders? You have proof of concept. You know that the market wants whatever it is you are selling. You know you have your messaging, your product offer, you know that it's in a good place, and it's at that point you want to make that time investment where you want to move into something like ClickFunnels, Zipify Pages, all of that good stuff. Especially when you're a beginner just starting out. Understand there's a massive learning curve going on already. You have to learn so many new skills when you're just starting out. The last thing you need to do is add more complex high-level skills to already an amounting amount of stuff that you have to actually learn. So when you're starting out, keep it very, very easy. And the quickest way to do this is just simply sending people. So we're paying Zuckerberg, we're sending people directly to your Shopify store, and after they purchase on Shopify, you're going to make money. And hopefully you can make sales profitably using this sales process. Coming from somewhere like Facebook, we're sending traffic directly to a product page on Shopify, on WooCommerce, and then they're checking out and they're making a sale. You're making a sale. They're making a purchase, and hopefully if you've done your product research correctly, looking for products with about that 3x markup, you can and hopefully should be making profit at this point using this sales process. Once you have traction, once you have proof of concept, you know that what it is you are doing is working, then that is the time when I recommend taking a little bit extra time, investing it into building out something like a sales funnel, like a sales page, and then start sending people to maybe like something like a sales funnel where it is a much stronger sales process, and hopefully then at the end that will make you quite a lot more profit, because sales pages do increase that average order value. But understanding that this sales process where we are just sending people directly to our Shopify store and then hopefully making some sales profitably, that is what I do. Why do I do that and why do I recommend you do that? Because it is by far the fastest way to test products. Okay, testing. It is the fastest way to test products. Once you have a good product that is a good product market fit, and you've got some good messaging, you know that it's resonating with the market because hopefully you're making sales profitably. It's at that point where you want to go, okay, I've got something that's working. Let's see now if I can make this even better and start squeezing every ounce of profit out of this thing that I possibly can. That's when you take that extra time building out a sales page, a sales funnel, and then getting, maximizing that profit through upsells, through your average order value. Okay, that's what I recommend doing. I see way too many people falling into the trap of thinking that it's this sales process that straight away is the thing that's going to win it for them. And that's not the case. You need to find that great product. You need to find that great messaging. Okay, you really need to understand the sales process, the offer, the marketing behind it. Once you have that, then it is worth investing your time and testing whether this works. And all you're doing is you're just going to duplicate your Facebook ads campaign. You're not going to turn off these ads that are sending people to your Shopify store. You're simply going to duplicate your campaign, switch out your link, okay, start a new campaign, new ads, and just try testing running people to that new sales process and seeing if it is going to actually work and convert at a higher rate. Okay, while in theory it should, and it usually does, it's not always the case. I've personally seen a couple of times when my Shopify store has outperformed my sales funnel. So just keep that in mind. Test quickly, test a lot of products, especially when you're starting out. That's what you need to be doing. You need to just be quickly testing products. This is the quickest sales process to test on. Once you find something that is working, then take that time, start learning how to develop, how to create high converting sales pages, high converting funnels. Then build out this and test it. That's what I do. That's what I recommend you doing. Don't fall into the trap of trying to do this straight away without a proven proof of concept. There's a good chance you'll just end up wasting a lot of your time and potentially a lot of your money as well. That's it for this video, guys. If you need any help at all with scaling, growing, or building your e-commerce business, schedule a call with me. The link for that is in the description below this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.